Hey everybody, Racers and Rods here. We're at Festivals of Speed in Ocala, Florida this morning. We're here with the... there you go. We're at the show. There's about 200 cars all indoors. We've got customs, we've got exotics, we've got hot rods, we've got muscle cars, we've got a little bit of everything.
And we love red, we match.
And they love red, that's right,
so
we match.
He's gonna dance with us later.
Later, much later. Enjoy, thank you. Check out this pair of rare 1974 Volkswagen SP2 sports cars. About 10,000 units were built according to the owner between 1971 and 1976. It has a rear-mounted 1700cc flat-4 air-cooled Boxster engine and produces about 65 horsepower. Unfortunately, these cars were never imported into the United States because of non-compliance with the 1970s bumper laws. There are thought to be less than 25 imported into the United States currently as collectibles.
What year is it?
1972.
72. You even have the accents to go with it.
Oh yeah, yeah, it came with the car.
Came with the car. Did you buy it brand new?
No, but I was only about 17 years.
Wow, oh, nice.
Yeah.
Johnny Lester are the proud owners of this beautiful 1962 Corvette and have driven it to all 48 lower states and have put over 90,000 miles on the car since 2000, including traveling Route 66 from Chicago to Los Angeles while towing their bumper car trailer. This car features parts and suspension from a 1987 Corvette, including cruise control, digital dash, and Bluetooth. This resto mod is the definition of a pure hot rod. It's driven, not trailered, and enjoyed while seeing the sights around the great United States.
So my grandfather started working at the GM Lakewood plant in May of 1958, and from there he worked until April of 1989 when the plant shut down. So before he retired, he special ordered the truck in October of 1984, and it was delivered to the house in February of 1985. So it never hit the dealership.
Wow.
Straight from factory to house. He gave me the title and said, I want you to take the truck. So as soon as I got the title back, my husband and I had somebody go up to Georgia, pulled the truck out of the woods, and he passed away in December of 2015.
Oh, that's too bad.
But he got to see the truck when we pulled it out of the woods.
Awesome.
So he did see it, but I made a promise to him before he passed that I would do the truck.
You would take care of it.
Yes.
Awesome. That's a great story.
And it took us 5.5 years to build it. My husband and I did everything you see here by ourselves. Complete
Great.
flame off restoration.
That's a great story. Great. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for bringing it out.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
This is my 1933 Ford. First hot rod I ever got a ride in was about 12 years old. I was able to buy the car about 5 years ago. It's all steel. It's got a 65 Cadillac 429 in it. The car was built in 1975. First time I was ever in an indoor car show and thoroughly enjoying myself.
Absolutely. Great. I appreciate it. Thanks for showing it. It's great. It's a pretty car.